Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of July 2021. In this reading I'll be taking a look at your past, present and future energies, and at the end of the reading I'll be pulling some cards out as an advice from the universe for you. Okay, so this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And I'll be also taking your sun, moon, rising and Venus sign videos. So if one video does not resonate with you, you can go and check out my other videos as well. All right, so for my Aquarius, July 2021, Aquarius, July 2021. In the obstacle you have the Hanged Man. At the end of the reading we have, end of the deck, we have the Moon card. So the obstacle for you in this month is the Hanged Man. So this tells us about how you are feeling, or you might be feeling in the month. Basically this can be an obstacle, like, you know, when we try to perceive something else, when we try to understand other person's point of view and other people's point of view, or a situation in our perspective only, in another perspective, you know, that kind of a feeling where we start getting options for one situation. Like, it can be like this, it can be like that as well. So this has come up in obstacle for you in this month. This is where, you know, when we are not able to get to know what exactly is going, because the overall energy is the Moon, because the things are hidden in front of you. Okay, the things, whatever you are feeling, whatever you will be going through this month, you might be getting some idea, but still you will not get the exact situation, or you will not be able to get the exact thing. Why? Because the things will be hidden in front of you, the things will not be out. You might have to work on the things so that everything should come out of the scenario. What are the things which are hidden now? So the universe is trying to tell you the Devil is here, the Nine of Cups is here, Eight of Wands energy, Five of Wands energy, Ace of Pentacles, Hierophant and the Hermit. Okay, so this is telling me that you are already going through this thing, or you have already gone from this thing. So this is a situation where you were involved in a lot of arguments with the person. Okay, so a lot of arguments, fights, situations, like, you know, small things. You might be even just talking to your person, so there was a communication which went wrong. Okay, something is there. So this is not hidden from you anymore, but these things were there, and but you need to take care of these things. Why you need to take care of these things? That is why these cards are coming up. You have always, so this was a relationship. Okay, so very beautiful relationship, to be very honest. So because of the Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups energies are here, a very beautiful, a very long lasting kind of relationship, which started with a strong stability. Okay, it started slow. You all were always grateful to the universe to send you this person. You were involved, marriage as well might be involved in this relationship, but all of a sudden you felt like it just ended. It was temporary, you felt somewhere, you felt at least, and now you are trying to find answers. You are trying to analyze what is going on, why it just ended. I want to know what is going on. So in the past we have the Six of Wands, Seven of Swords and the Empress. So I am strongly getting a strong cheating, a deception energy over here. So this can be your person, this can be you as well, who was cheated or who has cheated your person. Basically cheating energies. Okay, although this was temporary. Sometimes what we feel like that life is so good, life is so beautiful, I am getting, I'm going towards greater heights in my life, and now I don't need anyone. So this, I'm really getting strong ego energies as well, where a person starts feeling in the top of the world, and all of a sudden when we feel that we are on the top of the world, everything ends for us. The pure relationships which actually are there, they just end. Okay, and it actually happened with this person. This can be you, this can be your person, but this is because of that ego, because of that all of a sudden I have come up in limelight. That little small success was there in this thing, whatever that thing was. Success was there, but because of that success, some ego issues started building up, and because of that egoistic nature, somebody was like, the relationships just ended for some. In the present, we have Three of Wands, the Emperor, and the Queen of Pentacles. So I would not say that the ego issues are not there anymore. They are still there. Strong egoistic issues, strong stubborn issues coming up. So this is like somebody is waiting for a person who is already very stubborn, or who is already very much like a rigid kind of a person, and somebody is waiting for this kind of a person to come back and talk to them. Okay. In the coming future, we have the Six of Pentacles, Four of Swords, and Eight of Cups. So this is more of a give and take relationship. If one person does not get the love, the generosity, the care, the whatever from the other person, then what we feel like not taking a step at certain times. Sometimes we feel that okay, let's just let it go, let's just take a pause, let's just analyze some things, let's just talk. If not even talk, then it's like, let's move on from this relationship. Okay, so let's clarify now. So tell me more about the Hanged Man in the obstacle energy for my Aquarius. Four of Wands, the Tower, and the Four of Swords. A beautiful relationship ending. I am really getting, there was a beautiful relationship, there was a marriage, there was a partnership, there was a relationship which everyone used to see, and everyone used to say, what a beautiful relationship this is. You never fight, you never do, you're always like lovey-dovey kind of thing, but it ended, and it has just rested basically. This is a rest period which is going on. I would say that this is a paused period, because there are no energies of final ending in this situation till now, but we will clarify. This is a pause period which is going. Why the Moon is here in the overall energy? Please tell me more about the Moon card. Page of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and Ten of Swords. I think that what exactly happened, although there was a situation which was hidden from you and it came in the limelight. I think that situation could also be the thing which has come up in the limelight in the near past or in the past. You got to know the exact thing that you are being betrayed by your person, the exact information which you needed to know. Somebody told you, because this was something unexpected and you couldn't even imagine that situation, and all of a sudden this person, or through someone else, you got to know that there is someone else who is involved. This can be something in relation with money as well, because I'm getting some money energies. When we just enter into another relationship and we want to just, or a relationship or any other relationship, anything, because we want money, we are more into financial gains than other gains, more materialistic energies I am getting in this reading. Either the person with whom they are involved with, or themselves as well, you know, whosoever this person is. It's more like somebody is waiting, or somebody is involved in the money thing here. Okay, so tell me more about the Six of Wands in the past energies. This is the Knight of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and King of Cups. Okay, I think whatever the situation was in the past, you already worked worked out at that thing. You tried to work out, you tried to mend things. There was a mending involved already. This relationship was at a place where something ended at in the past, but you tried to mend those things and you tried it again. Okay, but I think that it didn't work. It was like, just like, you know, you were trying to just cover up the whole thing, cover up the whole lie of the other person. This was just the covering up of the situation, but exactly it didn't cover up, it didn't heal, it didn't mend as well. Nothing happened. Okay, so why the Seven of Swords is here in the past energies? Tell me more about the Seven of Swords, please. We have the Eight of Wands, Ten of Wands, and Temperance. See, this situation was already ended in the past. Somewhere this was an end, because as I was telling you that there is a pause right now, because this is happening again. Basically, something ended before, then you tried to fix it, it didn't fix, and you try to just work on it, although it didn't fix at all, although didn't happen, anything good didn't happen between you both, and you try to just cover everything up. Okay, let's start again, but it didn't happen. It was already over in the past. Let's see why the Three of Wands energy is here. I don't know, why are you waiting? Who is this person who is waiting for? Three of Wands. Tell me more about the Three of Wands, please. The Lovers. See, you're waiting for the same connection again. Queen of Cups and the Emperor. It's like one person is literally ready to give everything again. You know, you are more emotional, but one person is like, I don't even care, because two Emperor energies in the present, it definitely means that one person does not even cares, like whatsoever you do. You know what else is there? Out of you both, in fact both of you, there is a strong arrogancy kind of an energy is coming up, where you both are behaving like, you know, why should I, that feeling. But still, somewhere one person out of you two, I think that this is more of your energies, Aquarius, that you might be the one, or the other person as well. So somebody is here who is feeling that I am ready to talk to this person. Why this person is not talking to me? But I will not talk by myself. I want them to talk to me. You know, that is the thing which is coming up. You both want, basically one of you wants, and one does not wants a lot. One is very rigid. One energy is literally very, very rigid, that I am not going to talk it out at all. Tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles in the present, please. Ace of Pentacles, the Empress, and Strength. Okay, yeah, ready again. You know, that inner strength is needed for that apology or that new beginning. Everything, it's really hard to say it. It's really hard now to start again, because you want to start, you want to nurture, you want growth in this relationship again, but it's really hard to start again, all over this again. It has now become a history kind of a situation. In the future, Tell me more about the Six of Pentacles in the coming future. So sorry. Tell me more about the Six of Pentacles in the future, please. King of Pentacles, Taurus energies. Ten of Pentacles, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, and the Judgment. Okay, so yeah, there is a communication which is going to happen in the coming future. Definitely somebody is ready to reconcile, somebody is really wanting to talk, one more chance coming up for you, Aquarius. It can be you who is taking that decision, or it can be your person as well. Somebody is trying. But why this Four of Swords is here? Tell me more about the Four of Swords energy. Because one person wants, one person is going to talk. Chariot, Hermit, and High Priestess, all in the same thing. So Chariot and Hermit, so this is like, this is like, let's talk, but give it a break. I am ready to move on. Let's talk, but fine, I'm not ready to move in with you. I'm not ready to be in this relationship more. I'm ready to move away. But if you want to talk, we can talk. Eight of Cups, that goodbye energy. Tell me more about the Eight of Cups. I'm seeing priorities are changing now, Aquarius. Yours and your person's priorities are changing. You might talk to each other. Seven of Swords, but I don't see Six of Wands and Eight of Cups again. Strong moving away energies. No. Talking, at least understanding each other's point of view might be, but still not working on that situation. I don't see that coming. Okay, so let me check the advice cards for you. For my Aquarius, please. Advice energies for my Aquarius. Six of Cups, nostalgic. Four of Pentacles and Three of Swords. See, feeling nostalgic, feeling like memories and coming again. Look, I really want it. I really want to reconcile. I really want to talk to this person, but holding on because of being rigid. Strong Taurus energy. That why should I will not talk. This person should talk, and because of this, it's like breaking up. This is what the whole conclusion is coming. The ego is the main problem in this relationship. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.